Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ajay Mahapatra again, back with a new place. This time I am in this place called Queen of Hills. Yes, you're right, that is Simla. Simla of Himachal Pradesh. Wow, that's a wonderful city. Simla city is a wonderful city, especially in summers, that's known for its coolness. But we guys decided to visit Simla during winters. So winters has just kicked in and we decided let's visit Simla, Dharmsala and McLeodganj. So these are the three places we have earmarked to visit for the next 5 days. So yesterday we kicked off our journey from Pune. We had air travel from Pune to Delhi and then from Delhi to Chandigarh via train, and then from Chandigarh to Simla we came by using a tempo traveler. Now I'll try to show you the beautiful boutique resort that we are staying in. That's called as Kamna Hill Resort. Now you can take a look at this beautiful resort. Total there are 17 rooms. Separately I'll give a tour of the room, but this morning I thought let me come out of the room and enjoy the nature, which I love the most. You can see the scenic hills just behind the rooms, the tall pine trees. Wow. And this side of the resort you have all different kind of trees, tall trees straight onwards. Spanking tall trees. Let me go down and show you the beautiful scenic valley that we have. It is mind blowing. But just started. We're yet to cover a lot of the touristy places, as well as there are some must visit places we need to cover. So that will happen this morning. But early morning I thought let's get a tour of the nearby places, where exactly this is not in the midst of the city. It is basically you come out a little away from the city, where you get the nature at its best. So at the distance you can see the sun already spreading its glamour on the hills, thereby giving two shades, one in yellow, one in green. The yellow part, again sun caressing its love. Wow. See the trees, see the trees. Now, look at those tall pine trees. This is another hotel, Simla Greens. And you get so many serpentine roads while coming to Simla. And we had so many interesting anecdotes while traveling from Pune to Simla. we are three families here coming together, and we kind of make a practice every year to visit one place of India or outside, so that's another good opportunity to have a get together, plus you get an opportunity to visit a new place and experience the wonders of the world. Now with this, let me quickly take you all to the backside of the resort, which overlooks the wonderful display of trees and flowers, some dahlias. I'll go that side, yes. This is the entrance of the Kamna Hill Resort. Then let me get inside. Quickly, and then go to the other side, back side. See two other folks. See such a beautiful garden over here, just behind our rooms. And let me pan you to the other side. See, this is what I mentioned about the beauty of the hills. Look at this, my God, look at this. Wherever you go, wherever you see, it's all greens. This is definitely gonna give you a lot of vitamin to your eyes. Wherever you see. And look at this boutique rooms. Okay guys, I hope you had a lot of greenery already in your mind. Hope to give you more vitamins. Stay tuned. Love my videos. Please share with your friends and family. More to come from Simla, Dharamsala and Kufri, as well as McLeodganj. Have a grand time. Love you. Bye bye guys.